everyone! Welcome back to another live stream. I'm obviously Ariel. Obviously lovely to see y'all. Today we are going to be chatting about DFESTA. We're going to be chatting about Dispatch. We're going to be chatting about the whole exhibition, what you can do there, how much it costs, all of the merch that I've bought because oh my god, I was collecting all my merch for this video and like I went crazy and I still have to go again. But obviously if you guys did not know, I do live streams with the Kooky app every Saturday at 11 a.m. KST or 10 p.m. Eastern. If you haven't downloaded it, it's like you're all in one-stop K-pop shop where you can stay up to date with new news, you can meet new fans, you can also help participate in a lot of events, and you can also help like participate in what creators talk about. And obviously like I talk about just like K-pop things because I collect a lot of K-pop things. So, DFESTA, what is it? As you guys know, the company Dispatch is a very interesting company. I feel like everybody knows Dispatch for like the Dispatch couple of the year. And they decided this year that they wanted to do an exhibition and a concert. They were pre-recorded performances for artists and they're having special showings at a theater in Korea. So basically you have to pay money to see these behind the scenes like live performances. And right now they're doing it for BTS, 17, NCT 127, NCT Dream, Twice, and Hypen, Stray Kids, TXT. News. As you guys probably have seen if you guys collect K-pop, you do get a photo ticket with like a random member. But I have personally gone already for NCT Dream, Stray Kids, and Hypen, TXT, and 127, NCT 127. I will be honest, the tickets sell out really fast. I still haven't been able to get a slot for BTS. But like I said in the beginning, you do get a special photo ticket. And this little ticket is like your entry into the exhibition and like the movie and stuff. So on the back of your photo ticket, it'll say like DFESTA, it'll tell you the date you went. Now the movie is like maybe 15 minutes long and it's the same movie for every single group except the performances are different. I found it very funny. And then you see 2 unreleased performances from each group. So the first time I went, I did pull Jimin. So Jimin, if you guys didn't know, is my bias in NCT Dream. You can't buy a group's merch unless you have their photo ticket, which is obviously one of the reasons why I went to so many. Obviously I would have gone anyways, but yeah, there are all of these postcards that we can go through. I bought all of them. So this is the first one. This is the group Stray Kids one. They're super cute. They also come in these little like pouches and it just says on here DFESTA and Stray Kids, so super cute. This Hyunjin one, I think this is Hyunjin's like closer one, but yeah, there are more merch items. Like I said, the first thing was a folder. This was 4,000 won and it's basically just like a little L folder of Subin and I bought it. And then they also have little exhibition photo books. But here we go. We start off with these such cute baby pictures. Wow, they have even like the crown showcase. Wow. Wow. Look at them. Wow. Wow, I never even like looked. Wow. I love you guys. I obviously love the Kooky app. I love making these live streams. Like I mentioned one more time, you can watch the live replay on the Kooky app. And if you want a little teaser, a little snippet, you can also subscribe to the official Kooky YouTube channel as well to stay up to date with everything. I love you guys. I obviously love the Kooky app. And I will see you guys next week at 11 a.m. KST or 10 p.m. Eastern. Bye everyone. Mwah.